everyone. In this video we will see the if-else-if statement in Python. In last video we have seen a simple if statement and if-else statement, where if-else statement allows us to make a choice from two options. But if you use if-else-if, so you can check more than one condition, more than two conditions. If you need to make a choice from more than two options, you can use else if part in the if else statement. The syntax of if else if statement is if boolean expression, then statement, and then elif. It is a short form of else if, so you can say elif is a else if, and then you can check the next boolean expression, and then after the statement. When you checked all the conditions, after that in last you can write else and then the last statements. So there can be 0 or more else if part. It is up to you, it is up to the programmer how many conditions he checked. Now we will see one example. This program checks whether a number is positive, negative or 0. So in this program you can see a variable number is assigned 0.0, and then it checked number is greater than 0. So Python evaluates number greater than 0, which result to false. First condition, since it's false, Python evaluate the next expression num equal to 0. This expression result to true, and hence its body print 0 is executed. So in this program you will see, first I will assign the value of the variable is 0, so it will check number greater than 0. Yes, it's number greater than 0, it's not a greater than 0, it's so it is false, so it will not print the positive number. And then number equal to yes, print 0 will print. So actually I will assign in previously a number equal to 0, so it will print 0. Nested if else statement. Now we will see the nested if else statements. So we can have an if else statement inside another if else statement. So this is called the nesting and nested if else statement in computer programming. So let's create a program that checks whether a number is positive, negative or 0. Similar in the previous example, but here in this example we will use the nested if else statement, concept of nested if else statement, to solve this program. So here I took the variable num, but this time I will not initialize any value. I will take an input from the keyboard. So I will write this according to the syntax, number equal to float input, and then enter a number. Here I am checking if number greater than 0. So here you can see the nested if statement how we will use. So if number greater than 0, then inside the body of if number greater than 0, I check another if statement, if num equal to 0, then it will print 0. This means it will check, it will evaluate if number greater than equal to 0, then it will check if number equal to 0, then it will print 0 else. So you can see the nested if else is executing else print positive number. Then the first outer if statement part of else is print negative number. So here when you will execute the program, so when I will give the input, enter a number 5, so what will happen, it's print a positive number. So first it will print it will check number greater than equal to 0. Yes, it is true. So then it will check one time more if num equal to 0. So 5 equal to 0, no, so it will print positive number, it will not print 0. Then output, if I will give the number -1, it will print a negative number, because here it will check number greater than 0. So no, it's not a greater than 0, so it will not go to the nested part, it will go to the else part of outer if statement, and it will print the negative number. If I'll enter a number 0, so it will print 0 because num equal to 0. So first it will, outer if statement will check number greater than or equal to 0. It's not greater than, but it equal to 0, so it will go to the nested if statement, and then again it will check if number equal to 0. Yes, it is equal to 0, so it will print 0. So this is the concept of nested if statement. So before we close the video, let's create a program that can perform a simple calculator like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division based on the input from the user. This is the program snapshot here. I made it, but you should make your assignment. And if you have any doubt in if else statement, then you can simply message or comment. We will solve your doubt, and take care.